Hi, it's Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the 5 Under $5 DIY challenge. The hosts are Missy from Crafty Cove DIY, Emily from Farm Charm Chick, and the guest host is Charlotte from Crafting Up a Storm. Their channel links and the playlist for the other creators will be in the description box below. So let's get started. For the first DIY, the items needed are this Woodshop Birdfeeder Pack from the Dollar Tree, wood cubes, wood blocks, a glue stick, some paint, scrapbook paper, and a glue gun. I got these miniature fruits at Hobby Lobby at 40% off, but if you can't find them, another option would be these DIY stickers from the Dollar Tree. You'll need these 3 pieces from the Birdfeeder Pack. It comes with 2 short and 2 long fences. Make sure you use the 2 short ones. Now it's time to paint these. After I used the antique wax on these, I used a wet paper towel to wipe off the excess. For the tabletop, I wanted to overlap, so I'm going to trace it 3 inches wide. I'll use a glue stick to adhere the scrapbook paper on. Then fold in the sides as I'm showing here. Use some hot glue along this edge and then fold it over. Look how cute this is. It looks like a tablecloth. Now that these pieces are dry, I've already hot glued them together. Here's how it's looking so far. I'll come back with the final reveal. Here's a little picnic table with all the fruit on it and a miniature glass of water. I got that miniature glass at Michael's a while back and I just put some clear glue on it. I think this just came out so adorable. For the next DIY, you just need this Decor Sign from the Dollar General, which was only $1, letter tiles, white, red, and green paint, a Sharpie marker, and these DIY stickers from the Dollar Tree. You also need a hot glue gun, scissors, and some scrapbook paper. The first thing I'm going to do is paint this frame white. Now I'm going to start painting the watermelon slices. I'm going to mix some white and red paint. You can use a Sharpie marker to color in the seeds. I've already painted this off camera, and now I'm using a ruler, and this measures 3.5 by 3.5 inches, so I'll cut out a square out of scrapbook paper using those measurements. You can use a glue stick or a glue gun to adhere this on. I decided to use these black and white tiles from the Dollar Tree because I feel these better coordinate for this DIY. The letters don't fit straight across, so I'm going to adhere them on diagonally. I'll assemble everything together and I'll come back with the final reveal. This is how the watermelon decor sign came out. I think it came out really cute. I added a bow using Dollar Tree gingham ribbon just to add some interest. This is very budget friendly and perfect for a tiered tray. For the next DIY, you'll need this Decor Sign from the Dollar General. It's only $1, some green and yellow paint, a tan or light brown colored pencil, these various stickers from the Dollar Tree, scrapbook paper, a glue stick, and a glue gun. I'm going to go ahead and paint this frame. I'm using Apple Barrel Real Yellow. I'm also going to paint the leaves on the pineapple. I ended up using 2 coats of paint on both of these. I'm using this Crayola colored pencil in light brown to draw in some details on the pineapple. In my last DIY, the similar frame with the Dollar General measures 3.5 by 3.5 inches. I've already cut out a square using those measurements. I'll adhere it with a glue stick and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is all complete. Last minute I decided to paint the border orange and I really love the way this came out. And using Dollar Tree stickers just adds a lot to this DIY. I added some miniature props from Hobby Lobby, that palm tree of 79 cents. I glued on a wood cube to the back of it so it can stand, and those adorable flip-flops just complete the scene. For the next DIY, you'll need from the Dollar Tree this photo frame, a wood block, these pineapple and watermelon DIY stickers, green, red, yellow, and white paint, an umbrella pick, a black Sharpie, a light brown colored pencil, and a glue gun. First thing I'm going to do is paint these. Here's everything all painted. I used the black Sharpie to color in the seeds of the watermelon, and the colored pencil to add details to the pineapple. The Dollar Tree sells glitter in these small containers. I'm using an empty one to make a smoothie. Next, take some paint and carefully go around the inside of the container. Look how cute and adorable this little smoothie is. I'm going to remove the clip from the photo frame using some wire cutters. We also need to remove this. I glue the photo frame on top of the wood block. You can use wood glue, but for video purposes, I use my hot glue gun for a quicker bond. I'll remove the stickers off of these and I'll glue them back to back. I don't own a Cricut, so I just created this on my computer for the fruit stand. The Dollar Tree is selling these umbrella picks in various colors. I'm going to hot glue one of them into this existing hole where the clip was, and I'll come back with a final reveal. Here's a little fruit stand. I think this came out so cute. It's probably my favorite DIY in this whole video. I added some raffia around the tabletop, and that little smoothie is so cute. It's actually a coffee stirrer that I use for the straw, and I painted on the inside. Those lemons are actually lemon heads candy, and I threw in the flip-flops just to complete this whole scene. For the next DIY, this will be very easy. You'll need this wood shape from Hobby Lobby, it's 79 cents, some wood cubes, letter stickers from the Dollar Tree, wood glue or a glue gun, and some white paint. I hot glued the wood cubes together and now I'm going to paint them. After the paint dries, you can put on your letters. I'm going to adhere the watermelon red on top with some hot glue and I'll come back with a final reveal. Here it is, simple and easy, budget friendly. I really love how this came out. I'll come back with a final reveal of all my DIYs. Here it is, the final reveal of all my DIYs. Please draw me a comment and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you like this content and it will suggest my videos to help my channel grow. I want to thank all my new and returning subscribers. Thanks for all your support. I really appreciate it. And on that note, I'll see you next time. Bye!